The DeLonghi manual espresso machine EC155M allows you to create authentic espressos, lattes, and cappuccinos in the comfort of your home. With a 15-bar pump, this espresso machine ensures optimal pressure for extracting rich and flavorful coffee. The ergonomically designed portafilter and separate tamper provide consistent pressure, enhancing the quality of your espresso. Its manual milk frother mixes steam and milk to produce a creamy froth, perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. The machine boasts a sleek and compact design, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen without taking up too much space. Included with the machine are double-walled thermo espresso glasses that keep your drinks hot or cold and are easy to clean.